G'day everyone, it's Chris O. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years. I love what I do. I'm based on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia, and I'm about to roll in my first coat. I've brushed everywhere where I can, and now I just roll it in. So you get it on your roller like that. And zap it on. Don't go too helpful, either slow down a little bit because it'll splash. I should take it off the handle. Throw that out. That's better. Especially when you've got a thicker stuff. When you're doing your primer, it's a lot more watery. That's a bit thicker, harder to roll with the handle. You don't have to be super flash with it. You know, it's like painting, but it's not. You don't have to be as careful. When I sheeted this, it doesn't matter. Like here I've got the rough side out. There I've got the smooth side out. It doesn't matter. I just pop the sheets on whatever way. It doesn't matter. But this is going to be a lovely big bathroom, I tell you. Right, that's where the shower, those screws up there, that's where the shower screen goes. So I'll be going a bit past, so we'll call it that. I'm not one that has to mask it up and all that, no. My lines don't have to be straight and level and plumb and all that carry on, no. No. Bring it past. Like that, past the shower. Like I said, that's where the shower's going, where my finger is. Bring it past, you're laughing. Get up past your shower. The rule of thumb is a couple of 100 mil in imperial 8 inches. There's where the screen's going up those nails, so we'll go up there. Bang it all around. And what I'll be doing is once I've got all this on, all this waterproof, I want to do the floor as well. I turn on my fan and duck away for some lunch, give it a couple of hours, it's dry, and I do my second coat. I'll be tiling my floor tomorrow. You just get it on. Where you've done your silicone, it doesn't have to be super smooth. Just make sure it's you know, it doesn't have to look super pretty. As long as it's doing the waterproof thing. Well, just felt some land on my head, so it's the waterproof's in my hair, and I'm meant to be going for a haircut this afternoon. Oh well, you get that. I'll just have to say to the barber, oh, sorry mate, you get that. Notice though, I did brush over all my screws. I don't trust a roller that much. It's good for filling in. But give me a brush any day. My roller's wanting to roll off. Change my glove. I find these bang on. They're the right size for my hands. And I haven't got big hands, but I've had trouble with those black suckers. Look at that. Beauty boy. If there's any questions, anyone out there want to know, just ask me. I'll endeavour, or what's another word, I will do my best to get an answer back to you. I like it. I like it a lot. Right out the door. Don't be skimpy. Don't be skimpy with your waterproof. People, you know, it's not going to break the bank. You know, big drum of that to do your whole bathroom. Gee, it's not that expensive to buy, but if you had a leak, it's expensive. It becomes expensive to fix. I'm pressing it down where I've got the odd sort of, oh, it's not a hole, but the odd sort of scuff mark in my bed. But I don't like it. I don't like a trowel finish. That's got oh, is that the right word? It's got balls for it to stick to. Notice how I did my walls first, and then you drop down onto the your floor. Throw your stuff out as you go. I'll be using a 15mm trowel. On this floor, 15mm trowel and a 12mm on the walls. I was looking for my brush. Nice. Your first coat is always the important coat. When your second coat, like painters would tell you that, your first coat is the important one. Your next coat is it just slides over your first coat. Alright people, I'll see you soon. I'll just be finishing this and then I can duck away. Wait for it, I'll turn my fan on and it'll be drying while I'm away and then I'll duck back. Hooroo, subscribe to my channel. Press the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Give us a comment. It'll be neat to hear from you. It'll be neat to answer your question. See ya. Bye.